Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am so excited to introduce to you the TV remote control AKB73715601 replacement remote control for LG TV. If you're tired of constantly having to get up and manually change the channel or adjust the volume on your TV, then this product is perfect for you. This high-grade remote control is not only suitable for smart TVs, but it also requires no programming or setup. With dedicated menu navigation keys and direct channel access for digital TV, you'll have full control over your viewing experience. Plus, with a farther transmitting distance and stable performance, you can say goodbye to those frustrating moments when your remote just won't work. This replacement remote control covers all the functions of the original remote, making it the perfect solution for anyone in need of a new remote. It's suitable for a variety of LG TV models, including 32LN575S, 32LN570R, 39LN575S, 42LN570S, and 42LN575S. The best part? It's easy to use and requires just 2 AAA batteries. No more complicated setup processes or confusing instructions. So, what are you waiting for? Say hello to convenience and goodbye to frustration with the TV remote control AKB73715601. Simply click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible product. Don't miss out on the chance to simplify your TV viewing experience. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.